Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne Kadiri, and today's video I'm trying to make OGI, that's Akamu, that's PAP from scratch. I usually buy, and most times it just comes out with some dirt. You're making it, you're seeing some wood particles or some dirt, and it's actually my son's favorite food. So today I decided to go buy popcorn. I normally use this as my popcorn or making dinner date at night. So this is a low in total fats, gluten-free popcorn. Is a 2 kg. So I poured it inside water here, and I'm going to wash for like 3 times. It's not dirty anyway. So and I also like pap too. So I'm just going to wash and then sieve the water out. Hold it and leave it for 24 hours to soak. So I'll be soaking this for 3-4 days, depending on how soft it is. Right now it's very hard, so I'll be checking it for the next 4 days. Yes, it's a lot of work, I know, but these days one just have to make things from home and from scratch. If you can, leave it here on my kitchen counter. So this is the nutritional information for this. But normally this is a great source of fiber. It's good for breastfeeding mother. It's good for kids, replacement of power and cereal, for breakfast, for any kind of food, even for adult. It's very good. I just covered this right now. So this is day 2. I think it started to ferment. So I'll just wash and change the water. So this is like day 5 now. So what I do every day, it started fermenting at day 3 like this. So I throw the water away and I wash twice, then put another water. So it's smelling like corn now. I want to blend it today. I don't want to soak it any longer. So my fingers can just press through. So I can use my finger to crush a bit. So I think it's fine now. Some people say they do theirs 3 days, but this is popcorn and it's a processed kind of corn. So I'll sieve the water out, rinse it like 3 times. So this is how you know it's ready to blend, because your fingers can just, ordinary, you can't use your finger to crush a kernel. So it's time for us to do it. I'll just wash, then we'll blend. I'll be using 2 blenders for this purpose. This one is to crush and this one is to blend smoothly. This my blender is very strong. It's can blend like smooth, but this one cannot blend smooth, so but it's powerful. I'll just put water, then take just to crush it before blending it into a smooth paste. But if you have a very strong blender, you can just use it. Okay. Crushing. This is what I got before I'll start blending it into a smooth paste. So I'll just crush all of them once, wash the blender, keep it aside, then start blending it into a smooth paste. So this is what it looks like. So I don't think it can crush more than this with this one because I added too much water. So when I'm blending the other one, I'll just blend it like this. So like I said, this is my first time of trying to make it at home. This is the last set of crushing. This, after crushing, this is how it looks like. So I will take like this and blend again, this time around with less water, before I use my other blender to blend it. And this is the second time I'm blending it. It still looks very rough, so I'm going to transfer it into this small blender that blends smoothly, and let me see how far it can go. This is the consistency I'm using, and this is how rough it is. So let's see. Let me blend. It's not smooth, but it's gonna work. Like this is it. This is the crushed one, and this is the blended one. So I'll repeat same process for this and this to this one. So I have to figure a way out to work smart. So after blending, I still did not get the consistency I want because maybe my blender is not so strong as I thought, because this is Rick Kernel. So what I did here is to transfer it into my juicer. Then it comes like this. So this is so smooth, like it makes it really smooth. I don't even have to sieve it again if I don't want to. Then this is the shaft, so I'm going to reblend the shaft again, repeat same process twice so that I can get all the juice from all the food from this. So I'm going to, because it's still like kind of strong, so I'm going to do it again, blend and then juice. That's what I did to achieve this. So let me show you guys what I did. So I just put it right here, close and blend. Inside like so. This is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So I'll cover it with this one so it doesn't spill out. Yeah. Then I usually use this one, not this two. So let's do it. this is the shaft. I reblend it. I repeat same process. See how smooth it is. See, so smooth. Unlike this one. See. So thanks to my juicer, I turn it off and I do it. So let me see. Let me keep going. This is the shaft. I'll still rinse this one again just to get out some juice. Was what I did. I just strained it from the bowl to the pot, and this is what came out. Look at the shaft that came out. This my sieve is very, very nice. So I just use this one, pour it, this smooth one, pour it out, and this was what I got. Pour it inside the pot. So this is what we have. It's another day. I was tired yesterday and I decided to just go sleep, but I was able to blend everything. So I'll just sieve this water out. Okay, this one, and then I have this cheesecloth I bought from TO. This came like this in this pack. I already washed it, so I'll pour all of this one here. So this is the pack underneath, just to save it some more. So I'm straining the, so that it will be very, very, just to get some food inside. So this is basically what came out of 2 kg of popcorn akamu. So let's see. I'm gonna put in the fridge and then just mark it out. Then I'll cut it and then freeze when I want to make it. Yeah, so this is like 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is like my gain. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you ask me, is it worth it for hygiene's sake? Yes, but for the stress, it's not worth it. The stress is too much. I'd rather pay somebody to do it for me. But look at that. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And when you try it out, please let me know what you think. Bye from me to you. Till I see you again in another video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. This took a lot of work to do. Bye again.